Another day, another unboxing. So, ito nga pala yung una kong nakuha. Oh no, please. This is my 3 squishy small. And this is last is squishy big. I have a golden squishy. Tanggalin lang natin yung tape. Hello? I'm excited. Okay, go. Go. I have a golden. This is a uncommon and this is a rare. This is a rare. And this is a rare. Please, Lord, I have a golden. This is a not rare. This is a yellow color. Lord, please, I have a colored gold. Close my eyes. Why is this? No, I have not a color purple. Bye bye.